Okay guys, for my 84 944, I ordered rotors and I ordered new brake pads. You can see everything fits in, lines up good. I know I gotta put the wire on for the sensor. I still gotta do that. I just wanted to get them hooked up. So when I ordered the back ones, I ordered everything from Rock Auto. So when I go to the back, okay, then the calipers have been rebuilt back in 2007. Everything's still good. I ordered the rear brake pads for an 84 944, but you can see that it's where the pin goes in. That's the slot. Pinhole lines up down there, but not up there. So I went to Advanced Auto Parts and ordered a set of brake pads. Same exact thing. They fit right there. You see pin lines up down there, but it's coming up short right there. And here's the hole here. So it's like an inch off. The pads are like too small. So let me go. I have an extra set of front pads that I ordered, and the funny thing is they fit, they line up, but they're not the right ones. They will rub against the bottom of the rotor here. Can't see in there, but let me see if I can pull it out. Previous owner ordered a set from Napa, so I stuck those in instead. See, these fit better. They line up better. Let me zoom in. But you see the pin's off and it rubs in there. So these are like the wrong ones too. The front ones, of course. So, but the back ones are too small and I cannot figure out why. Those are Rock Auto. These are Advanced Auto Parts. This is a part number. There's the part number for Advanced Auto Parts. And these are the ones from Rock Auto. But I just want to try a different brake front pad for a second. See if there's any difference. Nope, still hits. Won't go all the way in. But it's like the front ones fit better. But again, they hit right there. So I'm at a loss. I have no idea what brake pads these back ones actually take. There was a number I seen. Yeah, it's 0.5 on the rear calipers, and the front calipers say 0.7. I don't know if that helps any, but if you guys know, let me know. All right, thanks.